We got this one? Yep. So this one now is A4. What was it? 2 minus 5x power 8. And we want to increase the x. And there's the first three terms. So we know it's 8c0 to begin with. Bracket, bracket, plus 8c1, bracket, bracket, plus 8c2, bracket, bracket. And I'll fill the brackets in now. Here would be 2, 2, and 2. And here would be minus 5x, minus 5x, minus 5x. Oh, it's verse 4, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, making me do a little extra work. Right. Bracket, bracket, plus 8c1, bracket, bracket, plus 8c2, bracket, bracket, plus 8c3, bracket, bracket. Okay, so in here will be 2, 2, 2, and 2, which is that one. And beside it will be minus 5x, minus 5x, minus 5x, and minus 5x. That's a 2. Now the powers. Do I want to start small or big on the x? Small. So this will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. And on the 2 will be 8, 7, 6, and 5. Okay, so on my calculator, 8c0 was 1, and 2 power 8 is 2, 4, 8, 16, 36, 256?
Yeah.
256. Plus 8c1 I know is 8. 8 times 2 power 7 times minus 5. So that would be minus 5120x. And then next would be 8c2, which is 28, times 2 power 6 times 25 minus 5 squared. So that is 44800x squared. And then finally 8c3, which is 56, times 2 power 5 times minus 125. So I get minus 224000x cubed. A little awkward, but it's straightforward. Okay, this is okay? Question doesn't say which method to use. You can use Pascal if you want, but I think it will be longer. Okay?
What if you use Pascal?
That's fine. Because
You show the triangle?
oh yes. So maybe you don't want to do it this way. In number 5, now sometimes in the exam they include questions which I feel are a little unfair, either because it's not exactly on the syllabus or the question is a little bit unclear. This exam that I have here was a practice exam given to me, so it's kind of acceptable that there's some kind of issues with the exam. Here, I think there's an important sentence missing from this question that will help you do it. Okay? So the question wants the sketch of 2 power x and a half power x, which we haven't done. That's because I feel there's a sentence missing here. The question should start off by saying, change 2 power x into the form of a e kx. Now, if you don't, if I can have the book for a second, it's behind you there. Yeah, well, I'll just tell you which one I'm talking about in case you forgot it. So it was in exponential and log. I think page. It was, if you wanted to look at an example before you tried this one, it's page 52, question 5. And then that it's like page 50, um, question 5 also.
52 question 5.
52 question 5 and 50 question 5. It's like those two put into one question. So this one is actually a little bit tricky. The first thing you need to do is change it into the form of AEKX. And then once it's in that form, you can know the shape. Because remember, there was 4 possibilities. If the A is positive and the power is positive, the graph goes up. Remember, we had the 4 possibilities.
Yes.
You can check your notes for a reminder, but I'll give you a couple of minutes to try that one now.
Excuse me, I have
Yeah.
a question. Do we have to change it? Can we